Hi, welcome back to Seven's Construction. Seven, you already know your girl. So we here at the east side of Youngstown, and we're going to be framing out a door and fixing an awning. Then we got some tassels. We're gonna be covering up with some coil. So this is how it's looking now, guys. We got it going this way. The awning on the top is kind of lopsided, as you can see. But you already know Seven's on the job. Manny's on the job. Say Manny. So now we over here. We got the wood laid out for us. And we're going to be fixing the top of the house by the tassel. So as you can see, top of the house. Tassel right there on that corner. Then all of that. We're going to be replacing some wood on this side, as you guys could see. If you guys can't see, I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see that. Up there. And a couple of pieces on this side we're gonna be fixing as well, so you guys can see. And then some on the top. So we're gonna be fixing that over here on the east side of Youngstown. We're gonna be replacing the wood. We're gonna be placing some of the underflashing, which is like right here. And we're gonna be putting it right back up there. We're gonna be replacing that wood that's there as well, so you guys can see the wood that's all the way up there. So you already know Seven's on the job. So when it's done, I'll let you see the finishing product. Until then, talk to you soon. If you like this, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.